Join us now in our Agile Business Innovation workshop at the Rosario University. In 4 intensive days, immerse yourself in dynamic workshop guided by experts where you learn the agile way of working and innovation problem solving. No prior business experience is needed. Just bring your passion and curiosity. Dive in topics like starting a business, forming teams, using Canvas tools, testing your ideas, and more. Embrace a feel-forward mindset and collaborate in an interactive learning environment. Craft solutions for real-world business challenges using Agile methodology. You initiate a business venture, build effective teams, and design solutions with powerful tools like the value proposition and the business model canvas. Students from all faculties aspiring entrepreneurship are welcome. Ready to take your first step into the world of Agile entrepreneurship? Reserve your spot today and embrace the future with us. See you soon.